Wyoming Registered Agent. In today's video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about registered agents in the state of Wyoming. If you're starting a new business or already have an existing business in Wyoming and are looking for a registered agent, we will cover everything you need to know. Additionally, I'll show you how to get an affordable registered agent through a service like Northwest. So, let's get started. What does a registered agent do? A registered agent is a person or business designated to receive service of process on behalf of your company. This means that if your business gets sued, the registered agent will receive the legal documents in person. They are also responsible for receiving summons, notices of lawsuits, writs, subpoenas issued by courts, and other compliance-related documents. If you have a Wyoming business, you are legally required to have a registered agent. The reason for this requirement is to ensure that there is someone available at a physical location to receive legal and compliance-related documents. Your business is a separate legal entity from you, so the state needs to have a designated person or business on file to fulfill this role. Before we dive into the video, let me introduce you to Northwest Registered Agent. It is a professional formation service that includes LLC filing, registered agent services, and business formation. They offer excellent privacy protection and customer service from agents around the United States at a reasonable cost. Northwest Registered Agent offers a service in which they can file your LLC for you without any hassle. Don't forget to check out the link and full review of Northwest Registered Agent in the description below. Now, let's continue the video. Requirements for a Wyoming Registered Agent. The requirements for a Wyoming Registered Agent are simple. They must have a physical street address in Wyoming. P.O. boxes are not allowed because the agent must be physically present during normal business hours. The agent must be an individual or business located in Wyoming. Why does my LLC need a registered agent? In Wyoming, every LLC or corporation is legally required to have a registered agent recorded with the state. The registered agent is responsible for accepting legal documents on behalf of the company. Since courts and legal authorities need proof that delivery of documents has occurred, an actual person or business must be available to receive them. Who can be a registered agent in Wyoming? There are several options for choosing a registered agent in Wyoming. You can be your own registered agent. However, this is risky if your business address is the same as your home address because registered agent information is public. Your LLC can act as its own registered agent. Again, this may expose your personal information to the public. A family member or a friend who lives in Wyoming can act as your registered agent if they have a physical address in the state. Hiring a Wyoming Registered Agent Service, Commercial Registered Agent. This is where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. Their service is affordable and removes the hassle of acting as your own registered agent. Since the registered agent's address is public information, most business owners prefer to use a registered agent service to keep their personal address private. Why Northwest is the best registered agent in Wyoming? Our registered agent service includes the tools you need to keep your business running without a hitch. When you hire Northwest as your registered agent, you get same-day scans. We scan your legal docs the same day we receive them and reach out if your essential mail goes unread. Mail forwarding. We accept and scan all your state and legal mail, and will scan up to 5 personal documents for free. For $20 a month, we offer unlimited Wyoming mail forwarding. Privacy by default. We list our business address on public docs to keep your personal info safe. And unlike those other guys, we never sell your data. Corporate guides. Have questions? We have answers. Our guides are business experts whose sole job is to provide support for all your business questions. As the nation's top choice for starting businesses easily and affordably, we also offer in-house services to build your business's online identity. Domain name. Pick a domain name for your business with your choice of extension, like .com and .net. Website. We provide a pre-built business website for you to customize using an open-source platform, so it's yours to own whether hosted by us or anyone you choose. Business email address. Create up to 10 business email addresses. For branding ease, they'll all end in your chosen domain name. Phone number. Keep your personal line private by establishing a business phone number for client communications. Web hosting. Our web hosting service includes SSL security at no additional cost. How is a registered agent in Wyoming served with a lawsuit? A process server will deliver a summons notice and a complaint form to your registered agent. The summons notice is basically instructions for how to respond to the lawsuit. The complaint form outlines who is suing, the reason they're suing, and what the person or entity suing you wants in compensation, i.e., how much money they want from you. These documents are delivered to your Wyoming registered agent's address, where your registered agent signs for the server's documents, acknowledging receipt of the lawsuit. If you've hired Northwest Registered Agent, within minutes of receiving service of process, we'll upload the document to your account and you'll instantly receive an email prompting you to log into your account and take action. Now I can show you how to set up a registered agent in Wyoming. To do this, we're going to use northwestregisteredagent.com. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough to set up a registered agent through Northwest Registered Agent. Go to northwestregisteredagent.com. Select Get a Registered Agent on the left-hand side. From there, you can learn more about registered agents in your state or get started right away by clicking Hire Northwest Now. Scroll through, find your state, and click Continue. Fill out details about your company, including its name and entity type. Fill out your contact information, including your name, phone number, and mailing address. Create an account with Northwest Registered Agent. You'll have the option to add on additional items like a business domain, website, email, and phone number. Look through each option and see if any apply to your business. To complete the process, pay using a major credit card. And that's it. Now you know all about registered agents in Wyoming and how to set one up. I hope this video answered any questions you have about registered agents in Wyoming. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more business-related guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.